What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. And for today, we are going to talk about Hostinger website builder. Hostinger's website builder empowers users to create stunning websites effortlessly without any coding knowledge. With a wide range of customizable templates, AI tools, and a user-friendly drag-and-drop interface, it's perfect for beginners and small businesses looking to establish a professional online presence quickly and effectively. Now, let's take a look at some of its top features. Simple 3-step process. Creating a website is simplified into 3 easy steps. Choose a method, customize your site, and publish it. This streamlined process allows users, regardless of their technical skills, to build a professional-looking website quickly. By breaking down the creation into manageable steps, Hostingers ensures that anyone can establish their online presence with confidence and ease. AI-powered assistance. Hostinger leverages artificial intelligence to enhance the website building experience. Users can benefit from AI-generated content, design suggestions, and even logo creation, significantly reducing the time and effort required to develop a site. This feature allows users to focus on their business while the AI handles repetitive tasks, making website creation both efficient and innovative. Inspiring template selection. With over 150 responsive templates available, users can easily find a design that resonates within their vision. These professionally crafted templates cater to various industries and styles, ensuring that every user can create a visually appealing site. By choosing an inspiring template, users can kickstart their website project with a solid foundation that reflects their brand identity. Customization freedom. Hostinger's drag-and-drop editor provides unparalleled flexibility in website design. Users can easily rearrange elements, adjust layouts, and personalize content without any coding knowledge. This freedom allows individuals to express their creativity and tailor their website to meet specific needs and preferences. The intuitive interface ensures that building a unique site is both enjoyable and straightforward. Effective traffic generation. Driving traffic to your website is crucial for success, and Hostinger includes built-in SEO tools to help you achieve this goal. Users can optimize their site with keyword suggestions, meta titles, and descriptions that improve search engine visibility. By focusing on effective traffic generation strategies, users can attract more visitors and increase conversion rates, ultimately leading to greater business success. While Hostinger's website builder offers numerous advantages, there are some potential drawbacks to consider before committing to the platform. Here are 3 notable limitations. Limited advanced features. Hostinger's website builder may lack some advanced features found in more robust platforms. Users seeking extensive customization options or complex functionalities might find it restrictive, limiting their ability to create highly specialized websites tailored to unique business needs. Learning curve for beginners. Although designed for ease of use, beginners may still encounter a learning curve when navigating the platform. Familiarizing oneself with the various tools and features can take time, which might be frustrating for those looking for an instant website solution. Dependence on templates. While the template selection is vast, relying heavily on pre-designed layouts can lead to a lack of originality. Users aiming for a distinct brand identity may find it challenging to differentiate their site from others using similar templates, potentially impacting their uniqueness online. In conclusion, Hostinger's website builder is an excellent choice for those seeking an easy and efficient way to create a website. While it offers numerous benefits, potential users should weigh the drawbacks to ensure it aligns with their specific needs and goals. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one.